Okay. Raw habanero in your mouth right now. It's not going to be hot at first. It's going to really be hot about now.
I gotcha, Connor.
Yeah.
I gotcha.
I can smell that.
Gotcha, Connor.
I can smell how hot that is. That's going to be burning for a while.
I gotcha.
You need some ice cream?
I gotcha.
Time to go away.
Are you sure? No, it's not.
I'm gonna die.
You're digging into the ice cream.
No.
I gotcha.
Oh God.
I really don't know why you wanted to do that. That's probably the most dangerous thing ever. Gotcha. Connor got himself.
That was good.
That was far from good.
It was really good.
Is your mouth still burning?
Mildly. That was really good.